Okay, today I'm going to talk about summary of system using iPhone. First, log in. Now click on the summary items. You'll see that there are system 1D, 2D, 3D, and system 4D. These are system. System means it's permutation. Okay. Before I go into details, I will need to explain to you all the terms within the summary of system. Okay, let me click the system 4D. Okay, inside this table, you'll find that on the header, there is called system 4D. Down here, dash, all prices, dash, mix, which means that this system number are generated from all prices, from first price, second price, third price, starter, and console. All the numbers are summarized together. Okay, mix, behind there is a mix, mean it is consists of all kind of pattern. The numbers are 24 permutation number, 12 permutation number, and 6 permutation, 4 permutation, even 1 permutation number are also inside this summary table. You can look at the whole thing by scrolling up all the way. You'll notice that there are some number belong to 12 permutation. There are total altogether 715 numbers inside this list. Like example, 2556 is a 12 permutation number. So if you there are on top there is a header called numbers. Frequency in red color mean is sorted in this column. Frequency mean it is sorted in frequency from big to small. So the most frequent numbers is on the top of the list. In this case, the number is supposed to be okay, 2569. If you want to sort by next gap, all you need is click on the end gap. Next gap means the next distance since the last hit. The last hit for 2222 was 1096 draw ago. This is what it means. Okay. A gap is mean average gap. Average gap means is calculated based on the total number of draw divided by the frequency. So let's say example there are 10,000 draw and there are sorry, let's start again. Let's say there are 1,000 draw and there are 10 hit. It means the average is 100 draw per hit, 100 gap per hit. We call average gap. Okay, so you can sort by average gap is as good as similar as the next gap. Okay, the deal is calculated based on the next gap over the average gap. Example 5, 7, 8, 9, 83. 83 is, the next gap is 83. The average gap is 14. This means that already 5.76 times above the average gap. Once it is above average gap, we call deals. So there are certain numbers are way overdue. Okay, example this time is 5, 7, 8, 9 is very overdue. The S value here is referring to the amount of money you buy compared to different kind of permutation. Example 5777 is 4 permutation. If you buy 10 draw, it's $40, and you hit one time, is as good as you sorry, let's try again. 577 is 4 permutation. If you buy 10 draw, it's $40. If you strike one time, it's equivalent to you buy a 24 permutation to draw. you must hit once. It's $48 to draw. This 4 permutation 10 draw is also $40. This is how it is calculated, the value of the returns. Okay, some hit more, so that's why, example, this 5777, there are 20 time hits. It is one of the most highly paid compared to the amount you play. We should say that it's 5777 is one of the most worth playing number. Okay. What is the setting button? Okay, setting button is important. You can change the type of price option that you want to summarize. Example, if you say I want to summarize all those number based on only the top 3 prices, first, second, and third. Throw away the starter, throw away the console. Then you click OK. All the summary will be regenerated, and you'll notice that the 1237 is the highest top price hit in history. Okay, the next gap also will be based on the top price range. Okay, you can also set another one, is called pattern. Example, okay, I want to only look at 6 permutation number. 6 permutation is AABB pattern. Okay, you can click done, and the list will show you all the 6 permutation number. There isn't any other combination, so you'll notice that the whole list is all 6 permutation. This is how you categorize the different kind of pattern if you want to study, focus your study on a certain kind of pattern. This is considered a very powerful tools for you to do a details analysis on your 4D based on the history result. Therefore, I strongly urge everyone, please do an analysis before you even buy the 4D. Okay, that's all for today about summary of system. Next lesson, I will cover more details on how to use summary of system to really analyze systematically. Bye-bye.